Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download blockchain application on your Android device. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download blockchain application on your Android, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, tap open your Play Store. Tap on the search box at the very top and type in blockchain into the search bar. Once you type it in, tap the search button in order to perform your search. Once you find the application that says blockchain.com wallet by BTC, tap the install button to begin the downloading process on your Android device. Now all you need to do is to wait for the application to be downloaded and installed, which is a quick process. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download blockchain application for your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.